Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra has a significant redesign. They've been copying Apple a lot lately, so I was afraid it might finish up looking like an iPhone. However, it seems like that is not taking place. Let's speak about a significant improvement that is almost certainly coming to the S25 Ultra before we get into the new design. A whopping 16GB of RAM. And not just ordinary RAM. Samsung's 2025 flagships use the quicker LPDDR6 RAM. The S21 Ultra was the latest Samsung phone to have 16GB of RAM. You may be asking yourself, 16GB RAM on a phone? Sal, that's excessive. And yes, 12GB of RAM is now more than plenty for the majority of premium phones, and anything more looks like overkill. But when you take into account the on-device AI, that argument is nullified. As AI programs get more complicated, they will need more memory even if they are now operating smoothly and handle large amounts of data very rapidly. Therefore, equipping the S25 Ultra with 16GB of RAM is a wise decision as it will ensure that it can accommodate new AI capabilities without experiencing any lag. A much-needed design overhaul is being given to the S25 Ultra. There had been speculation that Samsung will do away with the boxy style and go to a more rounded design, a la Galaxy Note 7. According to Ice Universe, the S25 Ultra will have a new frame design that is straight on the display side and rounded on the back. This will shrink the bezels on the sides of the display and even make the frame narrower. Imagine it like the Galaxy Note 5 or the standard Galaxy S7, with its rounded edges and thinner, flat frames that bend towards the back. I realize this is a difficult comparison to make. In comparison to the S24 Ultra, this new design should make the S25 Ultra more pleasant to carry. Above all, it won't have an iPhone-like appearance. Regarding the battery and charging, Ice Universe states that the S25 Ultra will continue to have a 5000 mAh capacity and a 45W charging rate. It's a little disappointing considering the competition, particularly from Chinese producers selling 5200 mAh or 5500 mAh batteries, even if the 3nm processor could assist with efficiency. Remarkably, a while back there was a rumor that Samsung was developing battery AI for the S25 Ultra, which would reportedly extend the battery life by around 10%. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.